Welcome back, students. The last section we discussed about A power n and B power n in push down automata. So the logic behind A power n and B power n is A should come first and B should come next. And second logic is the input should justify equal number of A's and B's. So here, this session we are going to discuss about just equal number of A's and B's. There is no condition that A should come first and B should come next. So we will take this example for this equal number of A's and B's. So this is our example. For example, I am taking B, A, B. So you can see here two B's and two A's are there. But the B occurs first, then A occurs, again A occurs, after that B occurs. So the sequence is not proper here. So we have to justify that A and B are equal for this particular input using push down automata. So this is our tape. So you know that finally blank will be there in order to indicate the end of the input. The stack element, stack memory will be used and finite control will be there. Two heads will be there. One will be pointing the tape symbol and another one be pointing the initial stack element, that is Z0. So now you see here we are seeing the first B. So this B will be pushed into the stack. Now the head pointer in the stack element will be pointing this top element of the stack, that is B. After pushing this B into the stack, the head will be pointing to the next tape element, that is A. While seeing this A, this B will be popped. Previously, when in A power n and B power n, what we did is we will be pushing all the A's, and while seeing the B, all the A's will be popped. But here the logic is different. First, we will be pushing the first element. When you are seeing the. So what we will be doing is going to share the screen. So when you are seeing the opposite element A, this B will be popped, which is present in the stack will be popped. Okay, and now the pointer will be pointing to the next tape element, that is A. Now you see here for this A, this B has been popped. So the combination of this BA operation has been completed. Now we are moving to this AB. So here, what will be the top element of the stack now? The top element of the stack will be Z0. Now the pointer will be pointing to the Z0 because B has been popped already. So after seeing this A will be pushed into the stack now. Okay. Now this A will be pushed. Okay. This operation has been completed. Now the finite control will move this pointer to this B, and the pointer which is pointing in the stack memory will be pointing to this A. Now remaining only one B is there. Now by seeing this B, this A will be popped. Okay. That is what the logic, and the finite control will move the pointer to the blank now because this B operation also completed. For this B, A has been popped, and the head pointer which is pointing to the stack memory will be pointing to the Z0 now. Will be pointing to the Z0 now. Finally, you will be having Z0 and the stack element, stack memory, and blank in the tape. Okay. Okay. Now we will see how to draw the automata diagram for this. So start with the initial state Q0. So first element is B. So we will be having two deviations. One is left hand side and another one is right hand side in the push down automata in the transition. So we have already seen in the instantaneous description of the PDA. So initial tape element is B. What will be the initial stack element? Z0. So after pushing this B into the tape, what we will go into the stack, we will be having B Z0. Okay. So next element is A. See here, next element is A. So for this A, while seeing this A, we have to pop this B. Okay. So draw another one state. So when the state changes from Q0 to Q1, the pop operation will begin. Okay. So now this top next element will be A. What will be the top element of the stack? B. You are going to perform the pop operation. Now for this A, B has been popped. Now what is the next element? A. So we have to push this A into the stack. So now the state changes from Q1 to Q1. Initial element will be, now the tape element will be A. Initial element of the stack will be Z0. Now it will become A Z0. Okay, now it will become A Z0. Next thing is B. When you are seeing this B, A have to pop. So this from Q0 to Q1, again the pop operation transfers. So now the element remaining element in the tape will be B, comma. What will be the top element of the stack? A. You have to perform epsilon. Now for this B, this A has been popped. Okay. So now the head will be pointing Z0 in the stack memory and blank in the tape. So if you are having like that means we can conclude that our input is perfectly right. So blank, comma, Z0 slash Z0. So this is the automata diagram for the push down automata for this particular input. For example, if you are having another one input as AA, BAA, BAB, again BAB. Okay, how this diagram will transfer? So you see here up to BAB, this will be okay. So A means again you are going to, after from Q1, you have to perform again this thing, again it will be going like this. Okay. For example, if your input is BAAB, again BA. BA means, so you see here equal number of B's are the 3 B's, 3 A's. So up to this automata will be right. For again B, so for this A we have pushed and by this B we have popped. Again B means we have to, so this here we have to push this B. Okay. So for that again the automata diagram will be changing like that. B, comma, Z0 slash B Z0. Then this A, comma, B slash epsilon will be working for this. Okay. So this is how we can transform the automata diagram based on the inputs. Okay. Thank you. I hope you have understood this.